to web technology, then HTML, HTML5, CSS, XML, and then introduction to JSON. So let go one by one. Internet and World Wide Web. What do you think? Both are same, different? What it is? Anyone know? Yes, internet and www are same or different? Let try to find the answer for this. Internet means interconnected network. Interconnected network. What is the relation in internet and World Wide Web? See, internet is interconnected computers linked by wires, cables, or wireless connections. And what is web? A collection of interconnected documents and other resources. So I hope you understand the difference. You can say internet is a web of only computers, but when we are saying web, web means not only hardware, along with that documents also, that may be HTML document, Word files, PPTs, video, audio, any resource. Those are interconnected. How interconnected? With the help of client and server type applications. And what is the World Wide Web? World Wide Web is accessible via internet or many other services including, means World Wide Web is a web internet in which the services like email, file sharing, request response that will be given. So this is a simple view. This is a simple view of a client server. From client, request goes to the server, server finds that resource and send back as a response to the client. Let's move next. How does internet works? See, for working of internet, obviously two computers are connected to each other, so there should be a communication between them. So communication protocols are used like IP, TCP, UDP. Then along with that, other application protocols like domain name service. See, google.com, yahoo.com, facebook.com, Flipkart. These are the domain names. These are the domain names. These names must be unique. So who maintains this uniqueness? That is a domain name service. There is one registry worldwide. There is one unique registry. Everyone can register the domain unique. So that is a DNS. SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. FTP, file transfer protocol. So with the help of these, two or more computers communicate with each other. Two computers means client and server. That it means. I will not give more time for internet protocol because see, this will be the theory and you have already learned that in the computer networks. What is the TCP protocol, how TCP protocol, and at every layer what suites are there. Yes, I will go for some insights on this. If you see TCP IP protocol suite, network and physical layer, then internet layer, then transport layer and application layer, and just understand which are the different protocols works on different layer levels. This will help you. Why to revise this and understand this is, whenever your application is not working well, if suppose client is claiming that I'm not getting that site, not getting that page, at that time you should know these things so that you can solve that problem. World Wide Web didn't exist in 1980. So before 1980 there was no web. From 1980 onwards the development is done. In 1989 Tim Berners-Lee created a set of technologies that allowed information on the internet to be linked together through the use of link, hyperlink, connections in documents. So this is the link where you can see the proposal. Very first time the proposal is put about the World Wide Web. At that time, HTML was the only language used to design the documents. Then client side, server side technologies evolved. Then what is HTML in that? Basic hypertext transfer. Sorry, HTML, hypertext transfer markup language. So hypertext means what? a format of information which allow one to move from one part of document to another part. That is called as hypertext, or form of one document to another through hyperlink. That means hypertext. Text is the normal. Hyper is you may say about as a meta. That is a text which is taking to you to some another part. And markup language means that defines the structure and content of the hypertext document, like where should be the bold, where should be the, what should be the color, background color, foreground color, tabular form or what. So that style structure will be defined by the markup language. Putting all together, so this will be the scene. Suppose client is requesting google.com. So client's browser, from the client browser, HTTP protocol, then that will be given to the TCP protocol. It will go through the IP physical layer of that client, then through the router, internet, router of the server, it will reach to the server. Again, that will be go again up in OSI model, like a physical IP, TCP, HTTP, and then application layer where web server application will run. This web server like Tomcat, Apache, WebSphere, Glassfish, that will search requested document, means HTML file, for while understand that HTML file, that will be fetched, and then it will be written back to the same part to the client, and then we able to see the Google screen. So first of all, we enter the google.com, then this all process happens and we get back the actual Google page. Even though this is happening in a fraction of second, but please understand this much task happens behind the scene. Obviously, we are very lucky for having a very good high-speed hardware computer and along with the internet hardware, and that's why we are getting very fast response from the server.